Look, ain't no problem on my mind. I take all this from my soul, put my chips in on the grind. I go. Got some places I'ma find, nothing missing and I'm fine. Fastest way is in the line, I know. Made no sense to wake up and not live. Made no sense to wake up and not go. Saw the end of the road and I win. Don't be all in my face. You don't know I got determination, never heard the waiting. Couple quick moves and I'm learning patience, I promise. You don't know I always been on it, always been climbing, finding new mountains. Kill how many beats, who's counting? Let them all sleep, leave them all pouting. In it too deep, my recounting, yeah. This is the part where I come up, this is the part where I come up, yeah. Don't be surprised when I run up, I set the bar, then I run up. Can a young nigga get paid? Can a young nigga get saved? Body that zip it up, ayy. Pick it up, flip it up, pray. I don't catch one of them strays, none of that in my way. KG, give him that fade. Start slipping away, slip and get slayed. All that fit in the maze, fall back, Christin' away, whoa, yeah. I've been on one from the get-go. Put me in a box like Klitschko. Might not like how it go 8, 4, 5, 6, 0. Yeah. Ain't no problem on my mind. I take all this from my soul, put my chips in on the grind. I go. Got some places I'ma find, nothing missing and I'm fine. Fastest way is in the line. I know. Made no sense to wake up and not live. Made no sense to wake up and not go. Saw the end of the road and I win. Don't be all in my face when I blow. I just hit the switch cause they need light. In between the lines if you rewrite. Never backspace, never rewrite. Nothing added to it, make my tea right. Got a detox, got a clean soul. Never gon' die, far as we know. I ain't getting lynched, this is beast mode. Like I'm from the bay, welcome to the day where I come up. Gunpowder on me, I ain't never picked the gun up. I just spit clips, fat pat like a drummer. Hit me all the time, what you doing for the summer? I'm just trying to live mine. Do it big, like I really can't get no bigger. Can't drip, no pitter patter. Get a ladder, climb it 10 stories high and you still can't find me. Lazy boy living in niggas still reclining. About to hit the road, but you know I'm from the island. Keep the contract, no, I think I'm not signing. Catch a contact from the dope, I'll be rhyming. Wildin' out, yeah, wildin' out though. Killer from the intro to the outro. If you let me hear you make a shot though. Either way, I'm going in like a scalpel, yo.
You got to build it with blood, sweat, tears.